Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss chapter number 3 question answers. In your textbook, first question is why constitution is necessary or what is constitution? Answer is a collection of systematic set of rules for running the government of the country is known as constitution of the country. Second point, the constitution can be in written or unwritten form. No country can be ruled without the constitution. Next point, the administration of a country cannot be done without a constitution. Last point, all the democratic countries of the world have their constitution. This is the answer number 1. You have to write in your CW. Okay, student? Then next, second questions, who were the main leaders in the formation of Constitution of India? The answer of this is the main leaders of constitutions are, first you have to write from there, it's constituted of a specific group of scholars, leaders. This is the answer number 2. And political experts like Jawaharlal Nehru, then Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Shyam Prasad, then Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, Sardar Baldev Singh, Anglo-Indian Community Representative Frank Anthony, Parsi Community Representative H.P. Modi, then Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, K.M. Munshi, etc., as well as female members like Sarojini Naidu and Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Students, this is the answer number 2. Okay? Then third question, explain the silent features of our constitution. The silent features of our constitution are as follows. First, democracy. We have adopted democratic system of our country. Indian policy is based on democratic principles. The people elect their representative on the basis of adult franchise. All citizens enjoy equal political rights. The government is run according to some basic rules. Second, secularism. India is a secular nation. There is no official religion of the state. The government does not discriminate citizens on the basis of the faith or sect. Every citizen has the right to follow, practice and propagate religion of his choices. Next, republic. India has adopted democratic republic type of structure. It means the government obtains powers directly or indirectly from the people. The rule of the country is not limited a particular class of people with specific rights. Okay? In fact, anybody can stand for election without any discrimination of caste, creed, sex, religion, status, etc. Next point, federal state. India is a federal state. There are laws mentioned in the union list for the central government, state list for the state government and concurrent list for the both governments. Laws defined by the central government are to be followed by the entire nation. Okay, students? Next, fundamental rights. Fundamental rights. The points of fundamental rights you have to write from these. These are the 5 points of fundamental rights. Okay? The rights provided to an Indian citizens by the Constitution of India are called fundamental rights. Then the Indian Constitution was ready on 26 November 1949 but was put in use on 26 January 1950. Then third point, the fundamental rights assures that a citizen can live his peacefully with dignity. Last point, the rights provided by our constitution are similar to those provided by other democratic countries. This is the answer number 3. Okay, students. Next, answer number 4. In these questions, answer number 5, you have to write this, republic. In question number 3, you have write third point, na? This. Okay. Then these are the fill-ups. These are the short question answers. What do you mean by constitutions? A collection of systematic rules for running the government of the country. Next, what do you mean by secular nation? A nation whose rule is not founded on any faith or sect or religion, and where citizens are free to follow the religion of their choice. This is the short answers. Okay, students, you are not confused in brief answer or short answers. You have to write in this next heading, question number 2, short answers, and in that you have to write this. Okay, why is India known as republic? Okay, you have to write, because the rule of the country is not limited to a particular class of people with specific rights. In fact, anybody can stand for election without any discrimination of caste, creed, sex, religion, status, etc. Okay. Next, state the full form of MLA. MLA means Member of Legislative Assembly. Then, which are the silent features of our constitutions? The heading: democracy, secularism, republic, nation, federalism, and fundamental rights. Okay, these are the short answers. Then fill-ups in your textbook. First blank is, our constitution starts with the preamble. Second, dash was the president of the Constitution Committee, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, PRASAD. Then India has adopted dash system of government. In that dash you have to write democratic, DEMOCRACTIC. Okay. Next, last blank, elections are held in our country every 5 years. Okay. Last question, identify me. First, identify me is, I am a federal state. In that answers you have to write India. Second, I am a constitutional head of the state, Legislative Assembly. Third, the administration of any country can't run without me, Constitution. Then fourth, I am a Republic Day, 26th January. Then fifth, I was elected as the president of the bill making committee of our country. Then answer is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Okay. All these question answers and exercise, students, you have to write in your CW. Thank you.